Hi children.
Hi.
Children, here are some cheats.
Okay.
There are animals and birds names in those cheats. Pick any one cheat, read that word, and there are two circles. Animal circle and bird circle.
Okay, teacher.
You have to read the word and you have to run there and stand in those circles. Okay? మీకు ఒకవేళ యానిమల్ వస్తే యానిమల్ సర్కిల్లో నిలబడాలి. బర్డ్స్ వస్తే బర్డ్ సర్కిల్లో నిలబడాలి. ఓకే? చిల్డ్రన్ పిక్ వన్ చిట్. Read your words. Okay. What is your word?
Dog, teacher.
Duck. Duck is a bird. Okay. What is your chick?
Peacock.
Hen. Hen is a bird. Peacock. Peacock is a bird. Show me your chick.
Tiger.
Tiger. Tiger is a animal. Show me your chick. Dog. Dog is a animal.
Goat.
Very good. Goat is an